How to fix flashlight not working, icon grayed out on iPhone. So if your flashlight's icon is actually grayed out on your iPhone, the normal cause is if the camera app is in use or any of the camera is actually using your iPhone. So you can see when I'm opening the camera app, the option will get grayed out. Not only with the camera app, but also with Snapchat app, or maybe you're on a video call or somewhere like that, your flashlight won't get turned on whenever the camera is in use. Now I'm not sure why this has already been a thing with the smartphones industry. Whenever you're using the camera, you obviously won't be able to turn on your flashlight. So you want to make sure to turn off or close any of the app in the background that is currently using camera, and then you can go ahead and then simply turn it on to fix the flashlight. It's a simple fix, and that is the reason why it will get grayed out. Other than that, there is no reason for it to get grayed out. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.